Hi, boys and girls. I noticed today that it was kind of hard for you to understand what your teacher was trying to explain to you today when she was asking you to exit the full screen from your Zoom so that you could go into another application such as Scholastic Lit Pro. It is really difficult to understand sometimes when you can't see what someone is pointing to. So this evening, I've decided that I would show you on my screen so that you could see what the tools are that your teacher is referring to. First, I'm going to start a Zoom because that's where you'll be when you're starting this tomorrow. I'm in a Zoom meeting with myself, but I needed 2 people, so I actually invited my phone to come along too. That's why you see 2 of me. Anyway, tomorrow, your teacher may tell you to exit full screen. If you hover over the top of your screen like I am now, you'll notice it says Speaker View or Exit Full Screen. I'm going to have you click Exit Full Screen. Don't worry about Speaker View. When you exit full screen, it will show you what's behind your Zoom screen. You may even want to go over to this very straight line here, which means minimize, so that you can make the Zoom screen as small as possible. And then you can really see what's on your screen behind you. Now, if she says to you she wants you to go into Scholastic Lit Pro, you want to make sure that you go up to this plus sign up here, and you're going to be creating a new tab. Click on that tab, and you'll be able to get to your Springfield School page. I have an extra step because mine doesn't open up automatically to what the student application looks like, but this is pretty much what yours will look like. I might have a few extra things that you don't have. And here you go. Here's Scholastic Lit Pro. Notice you're still in the Zoom meeting because you can still see Zoom at the bottom of your screen, and you might even be able to see your picture at the bottom. If you don't see your picture, that's fine too. As long as you didn't X out, you're still in Zoom. So you can go to Scholastic Lit Pro. You can put in your credentials like mine are here. You might not even have to put them in. They might already be saved. And then you'll log in. After that, you're going to be in Scholastic Lit Pro. It should be quiet while everybody's reading their books, but you still have your teacher nearby because remember, you're still in a Zoom meeting. You never X'd out of Zoom. Don't ever press that X button unless your teacher tells you to, because if you press that X button, that's kind of like pulling yourself out of class. You'll be gone, and we want you to be there. We don't ever want that to happen. So, when your teacher calls you back into Zoom, don't even worry about closing out your tabs up here. You can just go down to the bottom of your screen. I can see my picture, but if you don't have a picture, you could go right to the bottom of your screen where the Zoom picture is. Click on it, and it'll open back up to Zoom. You might have to go back up here and enter full screen. Do you see how it's saying enter full screen? Click on that, and now we're back into our Zoom meeting. I hope this helped. I want you to watch this video as many times as you have to in order to make sure that you can do this, because I know you're going to be able to do this soon. I'm really excited for all of us, and we're learning so much. See you later.